We're outside, snowing. Just a little walk around. There's the dog. She's on a little quest to sniff around. This shed we built. Don't want to. Property goes back about two acres past the house back there. Those are all our woods back there. My son's car, picked that up last year. Hey, Allie, 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 hey, come here, come here. Okay. First real snow of the year. There's our garden. It's kind of, it goes back there a little bit, but it's kind of dead for this season. Duh. It's our sage. Thyme, I mean, whatever. Just a little walk around the yard. Someday, someone's gonna have to fix this. That's our new train system we put in. It's kind of This reduced our bill about $200 a month, which is good. So this area gets a lot of water. So we planted these 5 weeping willow trees, and that you can see the ice destroyed them. The only 2 left. That's one of them. And that's the other one. Totally destroyed. Come on, Allie. Alright. So much for our little walk around.